Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to take a look at a couple of Pro-Line tires. Um, First up we have the BF Goodrich KM3s in class 1 size, and the BF Goodrich KM3s in regular XL size. Alright, we'll be right back when I get them opened up. Alright, so on the left here we've got the class 1 size KM3 tire, and on the right we've got the normal one, or the XL sized one. So you can see the size difference between the two. So you can see the normal one, or the XL sized one, is a lot wider than the class 1 size tires. Both of them have got a really nice scale look to them. Nice details, nice scale looking tread. Here's a comparison to Pro-Line Super Swamper with the class 1. And Super Swamper compared to the larger KM3. You can see that the KM3s are slightly wider than the Super Swamper XLs. Now let's add the Duratrax Deep Woods. And you see that the Duratrax Deep Woods, the Pro-Line KM3s, and the Super Swamper XLs are all around that same XL 4.75 inch size. And you can see that it seems like the KM3s are the widest out of the 3 XL size tires here. Alright, in just a minute we'll take a look at a set of each mounted onto a truck so we can compare. Alright, we're back, and this is how the regular size KM3s look, or actually XL sized. Okay, and let me flip this around and you can see how the class 1 size tires look. Alright, and here we have the class 1 sized KM3s. In just a minute I'll compare these class 1 size KM3s with the stock axial wheels and tires that come with the Jeep Cherokee kit, and you can see what the size difference is there. But so far it looks like I would be using these class 1 tires on a smaller rig. Alright, we're back. Here's the stock axial tire that comes with the SCX-10-2 kit, and you can see the size difference between the class 1s and the stock axial BF Goodrich KO2s. Difference in width and difference in height there, and then comparing it with the regular XL size KM3s, and you'll see the step up in size from the stock axial tire. Alright, so as far as the class 1 tire is concerned, I'd probably use this on a smaller truck of mine. I one of the trucks that I have that comes to mind is the G-Made Sawback. I think these would be perfect for that. Also possibly some of the MST CMX trucks that I have. So there you have it, a good look at the two sizes of Pro-Line BF Goodrich KM3 tires, Class 1 and the regular XL size. Thanks for watching.